Hey everyone, hope you're having a good day. We're having a good day.
Yeah. Okay, Evan. We go one away and we're trying to get the package.
What?
Hi. We're trying to get the package from outside.
There's a package out there? Oh, okay. Oh, it might be Rosie's dog food.
It's a beautiful day out.
It's a beautiful day outside.
Shall we go do
Somebody rang the doorbell? Oh,
Shall we knock on the door?
dang, I'm waiting for Rosie's food to get here. Okay, come inside.
Open it.
All right, we're gonna make some popcorn. Listen though, listen. They just had lunch, but they want popcorn. And then, guess what needs to happen in here? Can anyone tell me?
Make a mess.
Yeah, I want you guys to make a bigger mess in here. How did you know that? We're gonna have some popcorn, and then we're all gonna clean because then we're gonna make a fort. I've been thinking all morning about how we can make a fort in here.
How do we do it?
We're not making farts, we're making forts.
You have to get a big.
Yeah, I've been thinking about how to do it, so I'm still thinking. I'm gonna try a few things out, and we'll show you. My hair today.
Put it on the wheel.
You want to put it on the roof? Well, that might be challenging.
Just put it on the wheel. It just hangs down.
That would be
Over the
really
TV.
cool. But we have to figure out how we can make a fort in here that will fit everyone.
I am so excited.
You're so excited. I am too. It's going to be lots of fun. Well, I think that if we can like do a good job with it, maybe we could keep it up for a while. As long as we kept... Golly. As long as we kept everything cleaned up. For the most part, I'm not a super organized person, but I have put all of the popcorn stuff right here because yep, and right there. We seem to make it a lot. So yep, we can keep everything in here. So I can just grab this. It fits in there nicely. Someone can grab the popcorn. I mean, I could get a bigger basket to fit the popcorn in too, but this has worked great. All ready to go. You guys can each put a scoop in, okay? Whoa.
I do the hokey
You got
I
it?
do the hokey pokey.
Okay, good. Good job. Okay, what's his turn?
I can't turn this on.
We gotta put the bowl in front of it first. It's okay.
I have a bunch of them.
Okay.
Can you put this right down?
Yeah.
Oh, I have one. You have one. Wait, I need to.
Okay, go ahead, Layla.
Wait, push it. This is going to scare me. Wait, that's salt for popcorn.
Is it good?
Let me taste it. Bring this one more.
If it's good, you guys can eat it. Can you get you a bowl?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna have a snack. Then it's time to put you two to work.
Me?
Yes.
What do you call it again?
I don't know. What'd you say?
Chicken gum egg.
Chicken gum eggs? Explain them to me. What are chicken gum eggs?
Them are my favorite. I've seen them before.
What do they look like?
Like this.
Mm.
You cut them and then like this.
Mm.
It's so yummy.
I am worried that I'm not gonna get it right. Have I made you chicken gum eggs before?
That was so yummy in my tummy. I
have no idea what she's talking about. Chicken gum eggs. Layla literally went and got gum. Did you tell Braylee what you wanted?
Yeah.
What?
Chicken.
Chicken?
Gum.
Gum? Chicken gum?
Chicken gum eggs.
What?
Chicken gum eggs.
She said I want chicken gum eggs. And then she went and got a piece of gum. So then I was even more confused because I thought she was like just confused about dipping eggs, which is what we call fried eggs.
Oh, yeah.
But no, she got gum. So then we decided maybe we'll just go get something to eat. I just got this farmer's dog for Rosie. This is not sponsored. I did do a sponsored video for them last year. But this is really good stuff. So I'm excited about this. I'm gonna let it defrost and then feed Rosie. She's gonna get a yummy lunch. I've been so excited to get it. She loves it. Little cutie. What did you say? Your haircut? Did you cut your hair? Please don't.
I think so.
We're having a family clean sesh right now. At the beginning of quarantine, I remember thinking, oh, we're all going to be together, and thinking about the regular mess that we always have going on times quarantine, and I knew it was going to be real bad. So it wasn't too terrible.
The usual, I feel like.
It was kind of like the usual. Anyways, when I was thinking about this, I was like, if we just like every single night we'll have like a little 10-minute cleaning session, which I still think is a great idea. I can see you. Then it would make everything so much easier if we just took 10 minutes every single night and cleaned up some part of the house every night. That didn't happen. And last night, well, yesterday I didn't feel very good. Last night I was going to bed and I came out here to clean up and I looked around. It looks way better right now because we've been cleaning. There wasn't like a spot in this section of the house that was clean. Everything was dirty. Everything was like gross and grimy and disgusting. And so today I was like, we're gonna start that. We're gonna start the cleaning sessions.
The other day, I was watching this video of this girl throwing her back and she like does this arm thing.
Uh-huh.
And so I was like, I want to try it. And I did it and I did it good. And I was like, okay.
I did it and I did it good.
So I go watch myself in the mirror and I go do it. And I just punch myself in the face so hard.
Were you recording it?
No.
Dang.
I was just watching myself in the mirror. I was like, right in the nose too. And it hurt so bad.
That's
But I'll do
funny.
it for you guys.
Oh, God.
Me too.
Wow. And that's another thing that's happened recently. Somebody was knocking on the door. Were you knocking on the window?
Yeah.
Yes, you were. My kids love to do that all day. Somebody's knocking on the door. They're gone. They're gone. I just recently started watching TikTok. And I feel like if I would have started watching it during quarantine while everyone, you know, when quarantine first started, while everyone was talking about it, we could have done so many fun things. And now we've missed it all. I keep saying, Braylee, we should do this. It's so funny. And she's like, that's really old though.
Lipstick.
You okay? You okay, sissy?
I watched her and she just smacked onto the ground so hard.
Darn. You need to go clean your toys.
Never.
What?
Never.
What?
Never.
Wipe it.
And then there's someone else?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or like they're doing it on the mirror and like they change like.
When they go, why?
Everybody, we going camping.
Yeah, we're gonna go camping next week, hopefully.
I can see you today.
You can cheer? Serious?
Go, baby. And
Let's see. You do. I'm a savage. Hold on, hop down.
I can say, wash it, really wash it. It's for that, but I can see what.
You can what? Cheer? Okay.
Hot down. My father's up.
Woohoo! Nice. Woo-hoo. Okay, last thing and then we're back to cleaning, children.
Never.
Are you okay?
What?
Are you okay?
I was walking backwards and I tripped over this.
Who likes to go?
Dang.
And I did it again.
Wait for Mom to
Well, see, this is why we need to clean the house.
Sit down.
Let's see you.
bend your knee. Do a little stretch.
Woo!
Come
Good
down,
job. Nice.
Okay,
I can chew.
Hey everybody, are you ready to do my favorite song? Let's Spider. Spider, come down.
Down came the rain and washed the spider. Out came the sun and dried all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider walked up the spout again.
Yay!
That's my favorite song.
We're still cleaning, and I'm just listening to my children fight. Gage is downstairs now cleaning. He just helped clean up the office up here, and he's cleaning up downstairs, and the kids have stuff everywhere, literally everywhere, the little ones. And Gage said something to Layla, and I just heard Layla reply with, cry about it. Cry about it. Where did she even hear that? I was talking to Casey the other night on the phone, me and Layla, and he was asking her questions, and he was like, who is she? Like, she's a 13-year-old. She just skipped ahead 10 years and she's a 13-year-old. That's how she talks. I am in for it. I thought Braylee acted like a teenager when Braylee was little, and she did. Braylee definitely had a similar personality to Layla's, but I think that Layla might be even sassier. So, cry about it. Cry about it, Mom. What is in your hair? Syrup?
Probably.
Sticky stuff.
Please don't. I'm gonna hit it.
No?
Oh, if you hit it.
No?
The only thing I'm worrying about is not me.
What?
The only thing I'm worrying about is dying.
Dying?
Yeah.
Why?
Is that going to my head?
Well then hold still, it won't. Sit up, babe.
Is it actually water?
Yeah, it's actually water.
Can I put some in my mouth? This is good. Every time we spray it in my hair, we have to do that. Mom, how does babies come from the belly? How do babies get in the belly?
Can we get in there?
Yeah. Like, how did it supposed to get baby? How did it, how
Molly's have, it's kind of cool, Molly's have eggs in their belly. And when the time is right, they are up here, and when the time is right, they come down, and then they go into something inside that mommies have. It's called a uterus, and then they grow. And they start growing into babies. Pretty cool, huh?